Hey everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to watch Showtime in Paramount Plus. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is turn on your VPN. Here you can see I am using a VPN in Opera GX. Next, you want to search paramountplus.com in Google. Once you're in the website, press the sign in button at the top right corner. Sign in to your Paramount Plus account. Now after signing in, you will now have access to Showtime and watch it in Paramount Plus. Note that you need a private or an email account